Hi guys, what's up? So let's start how to make money from real estate business. Making money in real estate can be lucrative but requires careful planning and execution. Here are top strategies. Number 1, flipping properties. Research and identify properties that are undervalued or in need of renovation. Calculate potential renovation costs and the after repair value RF to ensure a profitable margin. Purchase the property, complete the renovations and sell it for a higher price than the total investment. Number 2, rental properties. Identify properties in desirable locations with high rental demand. Calculate potential rental income versus expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and vacancies. Purchase the property and find reliable tenants to generate regular rental income. Manage the property effectively to minimize vacancies and maintenance costs. Number 3, real estate investment trusts REITs. Research and invest in publicly traded REITs, which own and manage income generating properties like office buildings, apartment complexes, or shopping centers. Receive dividends from REITs based on their rental income and property appreciation. Number 4, wholesaling. Identify distressed properties or motivated sellers. Negotiate contracts to buy these properties at a discount. Assign or sell the contract to another buyer for a fee without ever taking ownership of the property. Number 5, real estate development. Conduct market research to identify demand for new properties in specific locations. Acquire land or existing properties suitable for development. Secure necessary permits and approvals from local authorities. Develop the property, either by constructing new buildings or renovating existing ones. Sell or lease the developed properties for a profit. Number 6, short-term rentals. Purchase or lease properties in tourist destinations or areas with high short-term rental demand. List the properties on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO for short stays. Provide excellent hospitality and amenities to attract guests and earn higher rental income compared to long-term rentals. Number 7, commercial real estate. Identify opportunities to invest in commercial properties like office buildings, retail spaces, or industrial warehouses. Lease the properties to businesses, earning rental income through long-term leases. Number 8, real estate crowdfunding. Research and select real estate projects listed on crowdfunding platforms. Invest in these projects alongside other investors, pooling resources to finance property acquisitions or developments. Earn returns through dividends, rental income, or property appreciation, depending on the structure of the investment. But wait, successful real estate investing requires thorough research, financial planning, and an understanding of market dynamics. It's essential to assess your risk tolerance, investment goals, and resources before choosing a specific strategy. Additionally, staying informed about local regulations, economic trends, and property market conditions is crucial for making informed investment decisions.